Most important, powerful strategy to revise for the JEE Mains 2025. How many times you should revise in the remaining days? Arrange your chapters in a way that they are very important, high weightage, as well as you are weak in those important topics. Hi everyone, hi guys, this is one and only Akash Tyagi, your mentor educator on this amazing channel of PW Gulf. Guys, I hope that you are all doing good and you are all well prepared for your upcoming JEE Mains exam. But even now you have so many questions in your mind while doing your preparation. You are doing a lot of hard work, but you have some questions, some unanswered questions which you think that if anyone can answer me. So guys, let's start the very important class, a very important session. In this session, we'll understand most important powerful strategy to revise for the JEE Mains 2025. Now guys, you don't have so many days, but even then you are thinking that, sir, should I revise the syllabus or should I only do the questions? Should I only attempt the mock test? This is a very important question, guys. And now let me tell you one very important story from my observation, by teaching so many students and by my experience when I was doing my preparation, guys. So many students think that we have done my I have done my syllabus, okay, and it's quite boring to revise everything all the time. Now I'll only attempt questions and that's it, guys. I think you are doing the same mistake that so many students do while preparing, just preparing for JEE Mains exam. So let's understand what is the best way for the last these whatever days you have before your exam. So let's understand what could be the best strategy for the same. So you have so many questions. Why revision is important? First of all, the very important question, sir, what are you saying? So I don't have so many days, so I'll only do mock test, that's it. I'll not do revision. Why revision is important, sir? So this is a very important question that you can ask from me, that, sir, why you are making this video. Okay, I don't think that this will make any sense. Obviously, I'll tell you why this will make a lot of sense. Let's understand this. Let's be in the video. How many times you should revise in the remaining days? Okay, how many times you should revise in the remaining days? Should I revise the whole syllabus? Okay, should I revise the whole syllabus before test? This is not in, this is before test. Okay, should I revise the whole syllabus before test? Now let me tell you one very important point. What is the importance of revision, guys? Let me tell you one of the very interesting story. My friend, okay, one of my friend, and I think there are so many people like him, and a lot of students that I taught in the past, that what they do, they think that I have done my syllabus, okay, and to revise the syllabus seems a huge bore activity for all of them, because they think that they know everything now and they just have to attempt the questions, that's it. They sometimes they used to run away from the revision and they think that question is only important now. But guys, okay, let me just tell you one very important point, that our human brain is very clever. Our human brain is very clever. This will only push you for that thing which makes it comfortable. And I hope that you are getting my point, that when you think that revision is not important, even in the last remaining days, I'll only do mock test. I hope that you are getting good marks in mock test. That's a different thing. But guys, with time, when you will sit in the exam, and even you think that it's so long, when you revise your chapters, you are all doing questions. Now let's suppose some topics are very important. They are very they are very common in the mock test, but for that mock test, some of the topic which may be very important was not there in the mock test, and you are all only doing the mock test. So you are just focusing on the topics that are there in the mock test, but some of the other topics that are also important, you are just ignoring them. And suppose you have very important questions from those topics in the exam, then you feel I should revise the whole chapter at least once just before the exam. That is very important. Now let's understand what should we do now. Okay, sir, so basically, should we revise the whole chapter now? No, I don't think so. You can't do this because it's a very wide syllabus, so many chapters, you can't do that. So what you should do, guys, I hope that till now you have your short notes. If not, then I'll give you way to do this. What you can do, guys, don't revise the whole chapter, but revise all the important things. For example, sir, can you please give me some example? For example, let's say hello alkenes, hello variants. What is the most important topic that you should revise, every time you are doing that chapter? It is that SN1 reaction, SN2 reaction, E1, E2, the chemical reactions, the method of preparation. So you should do these kind of things all the time before the mock test, because these are the important things which you will forget in very less time. That's organic chemistry, guys. It's organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, you will forget all these things if you only focus on the test, and then you will get your marks. Sometimes you feel motivated if you got the good marks. Sometimes you feel demotivated if you got to, if you didn't get enough marks. So what you should do, guys, you will not revise the whole chapter, but you will take all the important topics, and you will once revise. Okay, let's suppose you are going to attempt a mock test. Before that, everyone, at least take 10 to 12 hours just to revise in a very fast mode. Okay, revise all the chapters, important topics from those chapters, and then try to do one more thing, guys, which will help you a lot. What is that thing? In the last time after revision, guys, try to take a single paper, a complete white paper, before just attempting the test, and try to write only the important things. For example, write all the important name reactions. Okay, write all the physical chemistry formulas. Okay, write all the exceptional case of inorganic chemistry. Now, if you are only doing the questions, I can agree with you that it's very important. Yes, it's very important, but you will forget all these exceptional cases over the time. So it's very important to revise at least once in this way just before your JEE Mains exam. So I hope you are getting my point. At least one time. I'm not saying you that you should do it 1 time, 2 time. No, only one time, guys. Only one time. It is required only one time. So guys, what you have to do now, you will take your notes. Okay, don't go with the overall chapter, the whole chapter. Just go through with the important topics again just before the exam. Okay, try to have a single empty paper, a completely blank paper. Write all the important things, all the formulas, all the important named reactions, the mechanism, SN1, SN2, E1, E2. Okay, all the preparation methods of preparation, all the exceptional cases, and then go through with your mock test and then analyze it. I hope the concept, what I'm trying to tell you, is clear to all of you guys, what is important right now. Now, after this, guys, so can we have some different strategy for the chapters, for the topics? Yeah, you can have. For example, guys, you may have different strategy for chemistry while doing the revision. Physics, okay, physics and mathematics. How, sir? How? Look, everyone. Okay, don't do. Always remember when you are on the very last, in the very last time of JEE exam. So you can't do the revision regularly. No, you can't do this. For example, guys, you will revise more the topic you think is very, very important and is weak for you. Okay, you will focus more on these type of things. You will do the chapters first which are very well related. You can't do this, that I'll first revise electrochemistry and then do some question, and then I'll do with I'll take one chapter from the organic chemistry. No, don't do this, guys. Have chapters which are related to each other, and then do the revision in a way, so it will save your time to connect with the other things, with the other topics as well. For example, when you do organic chemistry and you start with the basic concept with the GOC, then it will help you a lot if you continue with organic chemistry, because everything is related. So a lot of preparations are so many times repeated in different chapters, so it will save your time. All right, everyone, do the same thing with physics, do the same thing with mathematics. Arrange your chapters in a way that they are very, very important, high weightage, as well as you are weak in those important topics. So don't skip these type of topics, these type of chapters, just to attempt the mock test. No, it's very important to even now revise at least once just before the exam. So this is the very important, I think, information for all of you guys, understanding for all of you guys. Please do this before the exam. We'll again meet with such type of videos which may be very, very informative for all of you. Till then, bye everyone. Prepare yourself for this JEE 2025 war. Bye.